I'm Ryan Iverson, and this is the Investor Breakout Weekly Insight. Let's talk about what happened this week. It's game over for public trading as a $55 billion leveraged buyout takes EA private, the biggest deal of its kind in history. The buyers are Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund, Silver Lake Partners, and Affinity Partners. Shareholders get $210 per share, ending EA's 36-year run listed on the stock exchange. The scale is massive, topping the $32 billion TXU takeover in 2007. And Silver Lake knows this playbook. They've backed Dell, Skype, and most recently, the TikTok partnership with Oracle. So why Saudi? This move is part of Vision 2030, which puts gaming alongside sports and film as cultural infrastructure. Saudi's private investment fund, rolling over its stake, signals long-term conviction in EA, while anchoring itself inside one of the industry's most important publishers. It's not their first gaming play. Through Savvy Games Group, they have spent billions, buying Scopely for $5 billion, investing over $3 billion in Niantic, and hosting Esports World Cup. The market is ready. 67% of Saudis are gamers, and the kingdom ranks first globally in internet penetration at 99.9%. For EA, going private cuts Wall Street pressure. Revenues have been flat at $7.5 billion for 3 years, while rivals surge. Microsoft bought Activision Blizzard for $69 billion, and Epic dominates the mobile. With Madden, Battlefield, and The Sims, this could reshape EA and the gaming industry itself. What a weekend in Muskoka. The 13th annual CEM Muskoka Capital Event was absolutely buzzing. And today we've got your exclusive look at the top picks directly from the Investor Breakout Exchange. 48 companies, nearly $7 billion in combined market cap, and over 800 one-on-one meetings with top investors. This is where real connections get made. Precious metals and critical minerals grabbed attention, but investors were also excited by companies across multiple sectors delivering tangible catalysts. Mining companies have been drilling steadily over the summer, and now the results are about to start rolling in weekly through the end of the year. The Investor Breakout Exchange in Muskoka gave a clear read on market sentiment today and heading into Q4. Investors from leading brokerage funds rated the companies with the strongest mix of growth, staying power, and near-term catalysts. Engagement was off the charts, the most I have ever seen. And now your exclusive look at the Muskoka Capital Event top 5 picks. White Gold, Atlas Salt, Hydrate Technologies, Leva Gold, and Ocumetics Technology. With markets hitting all-time highs on both sides of the border, the Muskoka Capital Event was a hub of excitement. Over the coming weeks, we'll do a segment on each of these top picks so you can see why they stood out and what catalysts are coming next. And we're starting right now with the top pick from the Muskoka Capital Conference, White Gold. Earning a place among the Investor Breakout Exchange top 5 is no small feat. It reflects exceptional execution and strong investor confidence. White Gold rose to the top during the Investor Breakout Exchange, where 50 leading investors identified the most compelling opportunities of the event. White Gold combines defined resources with major upside. Their flagship project already hosts over 3 million ounces of gold in near-surface deposits that remain open for expansion, with additional exploration targets nearby. They control the largest land position in the White Gold District, 300,000 hectares across 21 properties, representing 40% of the entire district. Alongside gold, there's critical mineral potential backed by growing infrastructure in the region. The company is led by a proven team with a track record of advancing multi-million ounce discoveries, supported by strategic partner Agnico Eagle. With 4 defined deposits, Golden Saddle, Arc, Ryan Surprise, and VG, White Gold offers scale, resources, and discovery potential in one of the world's best mining jurisdictions. Subscribe to the Investor Breakout newsletter to catch the full editorial spotlight on White Gold coming soon. I'm Ryan Iverson. We'll see you next week.